Baby back ribs, baby. We got our hot on the left and honey on the right. Always spritz with a little vinegar, and then let's show you how to wrap them.
Our sweet rub on this one. Our hot, it's gonna get the Blues Hog Tennessee Red. I think that goes pretty well. Sweetness, then sweet ribs. It's gonna get the Smoky Mountain. Really nice color to this. And this we're just gonna try out, because we usually always make our own sauce, but it's always good to check, see what other people are doing, especially up in Canada. Don't see this stuff often, so when I do, I enjoy getting to test out some of the best. A little vinegar, then we're gonna give these a flip, just like that. Gonna go that one there. And again, Smoky Mountain on this side. I don't usually add liquid smoke into my sauces, so that's why I want to test it out. I'm gonna put a dollop on one side, dollop on the underneath. I'm gonna go dollop on one side, and dollop for underneath. So they're the exact same. A little bit of this. Ooh, I forgot to add. These will be perfect Monday Night Football ribs. Then just swish that out. Seal, seal. Then make sure it's sealed. You can take it right out there. I know I got a little too much. Put this side. That sounds just a little long. Over there.
It's clean but comes off. With a little squeeze. You can see how juicy that is. Super clean bite. I'm gonna say those are definitely the winner tonight. A hot rub with Smoky Mountain. Unbelievable pairing. That is barbecue right there. Nice clean bite, doesn't fall off the bone though. More competition style, perfect.